Alright guys, so today we're going to do some Auxbeam LED bulbs on a 2005 Honda Odyssey. They're really simple to do. Your low beams will be 9006, and the high beams are 9005. But yeah, they're really easy to do. You just there's your high beam right there. Your low beam's kind of hiding back down here. You can move this power steering reservoir out, reach in. But yeah, the high beams are really easy to get to. I already did this one. But yeah, we'll grab this one. You just reach down. Turn it, and then you pull it up out of here. Be sure you don't touch your bulb. It doesn't really matter if you're not going to reuse them, but if you have them, keep them as a spare or whatever. Alright. Try and hold that up there. You pull your clip here, push your clip, and it'll pop right out. And then you'll get over here, grab your new bulb, and you'll throw her in. Let's see here. It's hard to do one-handed. See how to click in. And what I always like to do is turn them on, make sure they work. Alright, so it works. And now you'll throw it back down in here. And then line the holes up. Oh, come on. There we go. And then boom. And high beams are done. Alright, so I took the other one back out that we just put in. We're going to do a comparison. This one's the regular incandescent. This one's LED. Oh, brights are on. You can tell a big difference, and those are super dim, and these are super bright. I think these are 6,000 lumen. And these ones are really dim compared to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the high beam on that side and then compare it. I'll leave these as regular bulbs, do the high beam over there, and then we'll compare them with the high beams on. Alright, so we're going to try and do this high beam one-handed. I don't know how well it's going to work. This side seems to be able to reach it easier. You can't actually see it. And if you look down here, you can see it. There's the connector right down in there. So you just gotta kind of feel it there. Let's try the other hand. touch it. Can't spin it. Oh, come on. Okay. Can almost get my hand on it. I'm gonna pause you for a second. So I got both hands. Okay. After taking forever, I got it out. I took my battery out so I could get in here better. But if you got small hands or whatever, you gotta be able to get in there easy. Right there. Trying to balance this on my knee. Let's see here. Let's get it to click. There we go. Now, I can try to line it back up here. Alright, wait. Screwdriver here. Can't see where the hole is. Oh, there it is. Let me pause you so I can get this lined up. Alright, got the battery back in, got the bulb in. You can kind of see it through there. Right there. And the low beam's hooked up. And that side is just the regular bulbs. So we're gonna see what we got here. I got the brights on. So that's the regular incandescent. And this is LED. There's a big difference. So we're gonna turn them off, throw that side in, and then we'll do some night shots. I mean, these are a lot cheaper than the Silver Star Ultras too. These were only, I'll leave a link in the description, but they were only like 30 bucks a pair. You know, I mean, those Silver Star Ultras at Walmart are, you know, damn near 100 or 50 bucks a piece, or a pair. You know, so these are a lot cheaper. And they're brighter. These things are cool. They got little fans on them to keep them cool. And then, like, your wiring is, yeah, I just tuck it out of the way there. There's the high beam down there. And just put it somewhere where it's not going to get pinched by nothing. But yeah, these are 6,000 lumens a piece. But I'm going to turn these off, throw in the other side, and then show you what we got. Alright, so we got the high beam put in, just seeing if it works. See those little bitty fans in there, kind of cool. But I'll throw the low beam in and then get back to you. Right, I got the low beam working, high beam's working, high and low's over there. I'm gonna shove this one in here and get back right back to you. Okay, we got them all in. I'll wait till it gets dark and then we'll do some night shots of this. But I can tell you right now, they are super bright. And for a cheap price too. It's only 60 bucks for all four. And they draw less power. They're a lot brighter. But yeah, if you're looking for a cheap light upgrade, check out Auxbeam. Catch you later, guys. Alright, so we're gonna test out these headlights. Get over here. Be low beams. Those brights. Pretty big difference than stock ones. Pretty far. Wow. Big difference than the old incandescent lights. Let's turn around here. Bright skin. Wow. That's super bright. Get out here and show you what they look like outside. Wow. Super bright. Wow. So yeah, these Auxbeams are really good headlights. I know they make light bars and stuff like that too, so check them out if you're in the market for them. Catch you later.